Artificial intelligence gets thrown around so much, it almost feels like this big, futuristic buzzword. But what if I told you it's not some far off concept? It's already here, working behind the scenes of your life every single day. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain and see how AI is quietly shaping our world in ways you probably never even expected.
No, really, just stop and think about it for a second. From the moment you woke up to right now, the answer is probably a lot. AI has become this invisible engine that powers so much of our modern world. So let's pop the hood and see exactly what that engine is doing.
All right, first up, let's talk about the AI that's already woven into the fabric of your day-to-day. We're not talking about robots from the movies. We're talking about the smart software that's already making your life way easier.
Think about it. That spam filter that keeps your inbox clean, that's AI learning what's junk and what's not. When your navigation app instantly finds a faster route to get you around a surprise traffic jam, yep, that's AI predicting traffic patterns in real time. And you know that social media feed that seems to read your mind, or the streaming service that suggests a movie you end up loving? That is all AI, working its magic.
So how does that magic actually happen? Well, let's take one of those, the recommendation engine. It's basically like having a super-powered personal shopper living in your phone. It's an AI that looks at your past behavior, the songs you skipped, the shows you binged, and then it looks at the behavior of millions of other people to find patterns. It's basically saying, hey, people who liked that thing also really liked this thing, and boom, that's how it makes scarily accurate predictions about what you'll want next.
Okay, so let's move on from everyday convenience to something with truly life or death stakes, our health. Because in healthcare, AI isn't just a nice to have, it's becoming a revolutionary tool for doctors, scientists, and all of us. Just look at this number for a second, 95%. That's the level of accuracy some AI models are now hitting when it comes to spotting the earliest signs of certain cancers on medical scans. We're talking about finding tiny signals that might be almost impossible for the human eye to catch. This is an absolute game changer for catching diseases early. And this quote from a lead researcher really just nails it. It's not about replacing doctors. It's about giving them a powerful new microscope, a tool that can see patterns in data that we just can't. It helps them find that one tiny needle in a massive haystack, which can lead to a much earlier diagnosis. So what does this all boil down to for you, for me, for our families? It means we're heading towards a future with faster diagnoses. It means treatments that are personalized to our specific biology, not just a one-size-fits-all approach. That is the real, tangible impact AI is starting to have on our well-being. All right, let's pivot from the medical lab to the world of business and logistics. Because that same incredible power to spot patterns, it is completely overhauling how companies work, from the warehouse all the way to your doorstep. I mean, just look at this comparison. It's a classic before and after. The old way was all about reacting, counting what you had, ordering more when you ran out. But the new way, it's all about predicting the future. AI systems can analyze everything from local weather reports to social media buzz to predict demand and make sure a product is already on its way before you even realize you need it. And the results? They really speak for themselves. This isn't just theoretical stuff. We're talking about huge, measurable wins. Deliveries getting there 30% faster, 15% less fuel being wasted, routes being 25% more accurate. This is how AI creates real-world value, making our industries more efficient and honestly, more sustainable. So we've seen AI as this brilliant analyst and a super efficient optimizer. But its next big role is maybe the most shocking of all, AI as a creator. It's now stepping onto the stage in the world of entertainment, and it's not just helping out, it's starting to invent. And these are not just simple tricks. We're talking about AI models that can compose original music, help create jaw-dropping visual effects, design intricate levels for video games, and even write first drafts of scripts. It's not about replacing artists, it's about giving them an incredible new tool that augments their creativity and just completely changes what's possible. So we've taken a good look at the present, but what about the future? Where is all of this incredible technology headed? Let's take a quick peek over the horizon at what the next decade of AI applications might actually look like. The pace is just picking up like crazy. In just a few years, fully autonomous delivery drones and vehicles could be a common sight in our cities. By 2030, imagine an AI tutor for every student, personalized to their own learning style. And as we push further out, we could see medicine tailored right down to our DNA, and maybe even AI systems helping us tackle huge global challenges like climate change.
And all of this, it brings us to one final really important question. As AI gets better and better at doing tasks and making decisions, what's left for us? What uniquely human skill becomes the most important thing we have? In a world where AI can do so much, what should we focus on being? That's the big question we'll all need to answer. Thanks for joining me.